Right, good day everyone. So this is Love Science, grade 12, paper 1, reproduction in vertebrates. Now, section B, question 2, 2.1. In some frog species during mating, the male climbs on top of the back of the female and grabs her with his front legs. During this time, the female will release about 6,000 ova while the male releases onto them. This mating behavior is called amplexus, right? Therefore, now 2.1. Name the type of fertilization that occurs during reproduction in frogs. It is what we call external fertilization. External fertilization. External fertilization. Very good. 2.1.2. Explain why the fertilized egg of these frogs do not survive on land. It is because now the eggs will dry out, right? The eggs will dry out, and also we can also say that because there will be no shells, right? Because there will be no shells. Very good. Therefore, now 2.1.3. Explain how the amplexus increases the chance of fertilization in frogs. Because now the male and female bodies are in close contact. The male and female bodies are in close contact, right? Contact. And we can also say that up to 6,000 ova are released, right? 6,000 ova are released. 6,000 ova are released since the fertilization is external, right? Since the fertilization is external. Very good. Therefore, now 2.1.4. From the information above, explain one other strategy that contributes to the reproductive success of the frog species. So then now we can say that yes, it is the same as 2.1.3, right? The answers are the same because now from the information above, explain one other strategy that contributes to the reproductive success of frog species, right? We can say that the male and female bodies are in close contact. We can see them, right? The male and female bodies are in close contact. Right, therefore now we can also say that about 6,000 ova are released since the what? Since the fertilization it is external, right? So that's the other strategy that contributes to the reproductive success of frog species. They release many ova because now the fertilization it is external and there's a less chance of that fertilization to occur. Therefore, now they release many ova. All right. Very good. Let's go to the following question. Therefore, now frogs can survive in water and on land. Most frogs, however, need water for reproduction. During the breeding season, male and female frogs releases millions of gametes into water. 2.4.1. Name the type of fertilization described above. It is what we call external external fertilization. Very good. Explain why millions of gametes are released. 2.4.2. Male of gametes are released to increase chances of fertilization. To increase the chances of what? Of fertilization. Point number 2, we can say that since the gametes may be lost, right, due to predation, right? Since the gametes may be lost, maybe due to what? Due to predation. Due to predation or even competition sometimes, right? Due to predation, right? And then now due to predation or water currents where possible, right? Or water currents. Very good. Therefore now there will be a mark for you that you know that to increase the chance of fertilization, and then since the gametes may be lost due to what? Due to predation or maybe water currents. Right, therefore now 2.4.3, state why the reproduction in frogs is an example of ovipary, because now the embryos develop inside an egg, right, outside the female's body. That's why we say it is ovipary. Remember, we have ovipary, we have vivipary, and we have ovovivipary. Therefore now ovipary, it is that type of reproduction where the embryo develop inside, right, inside an egg but outside the female body. Therefore now the embryo develop inside an egg. It develop inside an egg but outside female body, right? But outside the female's body. Very good. Now let's go now to the last question. Diagrams below shows reproductive strategies in different organisms. Therefore now we have a fish, we have a cow, and we have a bird with a hatchling. Very good. 1.4.1, which of the diagrams A, B, or C belongs to viviparous? So viviparous, it is the cow, right? It is B. Very good. Therefore now altricial remember we have altricial development and precocial development. Therefore now altricial development, it is C, right? Birds. It is C. They are altricial. Therefore now precocial development, it is what? It is A, right? The fish, it is A. Very good. Therefore now it can be A or B. Precocial can be A or B, right? It can be A or B because now on precocial they need parental guidance, right? But now on altricial they are born with their eyes closed. They cannot see, right? Without feathers and so forth. But for precocial, they are born with their eyes open. They can see, and some, such as the cow, right? The baby of a cow, they are born with their eyes opened and with feathers, right? They are not born naked. Right. Therefore now 1.4. Oh, is it feathers? Oh, that you know. Therefore now 1.4.2, state the type of fertilization shown by fish in diagram A, right? So then now it is what we call external fertilization, right? External fertilization. Therefore now if you want a full session based on this topic or other topics of life science, don't hesitate to contact or WhatsApp the number on the description below. Thank you for watching.